Everybody, Keith Best here. So this video, I just thought I'd do a quick update on what's happening with the towing services site. It's the 14th of October now. So the site's been up since the 9th of September. So just over a month. Last couple of days, I think on Friday, this is Monday. On Friday, I ordered some citations and I ordered some social properties. So obviously they haven't finished yet. So they can't have done anything to the site as yet. But what's happened is the site has had its first call come in. So if I go over to call reporting, this is where I signed up for. I signed up for Ringpartner, and basically quick fix towing is what I'm doing. As you can see, it's got a call, but what I'll do, just so you know, I'll just refresh. It's going to go to there. So quick fix towing. Let's had one call come in on the 14th of the 10th, 2024. I'll just zoom in so you can actually see that. So 14th of the 10th, 2024, it had a call come in. Only lasted 15 seconds. It's what you tend to find with these call centers. You don't get as many conversions as what you would if you were selling to a proper lead buyer. So I'll see how this one goes. I might actually see if I can find a lead buyer for the others. Because what I've had a look at is the actual analytics. So, well, let's go to start. As you can see, I only put this up on I think it was the 10th I put this on. So it only started picking data from the 11th of October. And like I say, today is the 14th, so you've only got the 12th and the 13th in there. I've had 4 users click through. But if you go through the keyword overview, 2 clicks. Since obviously the 11th, I've had 381 impressions. Which, you know, in a couple of days for a site that's like a month old, ain't bad. And also, if you scroll down, I'm actually in Google for 93 keywords. So it's showing 93 keywords. The other thing what it's showing is that apart from towing company Phoenix, Scottsdale in Arizona is obviously a good one as well. Tempe and Peoria and Glendale, Peoria. And then there's another one. Surprise. That's another place. Now, when you look at these on Arizona cities by population, so you've got like sort of where we at. Glendale is decent size, Scottsdale's a decent size, Peoria, Tempe, Surprise, Goodyear, and these were all the ones what are coming up for my site. Now, obviously, it's not ranking anywhere for them as yet, but it is only a month old. Like sort of Surprise, where we at Surprise, Towing, 44, 49, 38. But it is in the index and it is being picked up. So what I might do, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create videos, I'm going to create sites. I've actually bought already Towing Tempe, Towing Goodyear, Towing Surprise, and Peoria AZ Towing. So the only one I haven't got out there is the Scottsdale one, so I might buy that one as well. And I'm going to build these sites up. Now, what I'll do is I'll build these sites up and then use them as single niche PBNs to point to my Phoenix site. I'll also create videos for each one of them. And then, apart from putting the video on the actual site itself, like the Scottsdale site or my Glendale site, I will also put that video on my Phoenix site on the relevant page. So my Glendale video will go on the Glendale page. And that will then boost my Glendale page up, which means this should go from 85 up to something else. But as I do them, I will make other videos to tell you exactly, show you exactly what I've done. possibly not a step by step as I do it, but I'll just make a video and say this is what I've done. I was doing these step by step ones do take a lot of time. I have done a couple of videos now where I show you how I ordered the citations, and they'll be going up shortly. So I just thought I'd quickly do this just to let you know the first call come in just over a month of the site being, like I say, it was up on the 9th and it coming on the 14th. So it is just over the 30-day mark of it actually getting a call coming in. So I'll keep checking it and see when it gets its first lead coming in. Catch you on the next video. Bye.